everybody. Today we're going to be talking about how to replace a top panel. We're going to go over the steps and what it takes to remove the panel and install the new panel. First we're going to take the spline out here. After we get set up with the ladder, extension ladder, we're going to take the spline out on all the around this whole panel and the one that I'm working on here in front of me. In order to take the spline out, you gotta get your pliers in there, pull the spline like this and twist. Once you have the spline removed, then you can tear the panel out. Now we set the ladder on the inside in order to start in the corner panel of the panel here and work our way out from this corner here to the outside edge. Once the spline has been removed, take out the panels and then get your measurement for the screen. Cut it a little bit wider on each side than it needs to be in order to pull tight. You'll need some extra trim on each side. So this is how you'll start the panel at the very corner here. Then you'll work your way from to the left all the way out. And you'll work your way down, straight lining as you go, straight lining the screen as you go. Straight lined across there, so I can get to it on the outside. And now I'm gonna work my way down the purlin here, the 2x2 purlin. Since we're working on two top panels today, you want to finish the one you're in, move on to the next one over, and start that one and work it out. So I'll show you that here in just a second. I'm gonna finish this one as it comes down here, and we'll start this one and move it all the way out to the edge. And then work this way, like work across this way. So we pulled tight on this panel here. As we were coming across this main beam, we pulled tight to the right, and then now we're trimming the screen. And then we started this panel over here, and we're working our way out to the outside edge. So this is basically how you do it. You do like the first corner, and then you work your way out. And you work your way this way, and you trim as you go. Now we're on the outside here. We set the ladder back up on the outside. And we're gonna finish this all the way out to the edge. And then we're gonna work our way down the outside 2x2 here. And then we'll close this side in by pulling tight on this side of the beam. Also working our way tight on the outside 2x2 on the edge here. Now this panel has been all tightened up. All sides are nice and tight and trimmed. Now that panel is done, and we straight lined across here the beam for this panel that we're currently working on. And now we're gonna work our way down here in order to get to this outside groove. So we're gonna pull tight on this side here, and then we're gonna roll this side in to keep the screen nice and tight as we come across here on the outside tightening edge. trim as you go. And this is the final product here. We installed both panels, trimmed around the edges, nice and tight. So that's the basics on how to take out a top panel and work your way from the inside out to the outside, and tightening as you go and trimming as you go along. I hope this video was could be some help to you. And if you like this video and you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. We're going to be posting more videos on how-tos and doing some product demos and things like that. So, subscribe, hit the bell, and follow us.